If you want to use circle to search on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, all you need to do is press and hold the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation, or you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar if you use the gestures instead. So if you do so, if you hold for like a second or two, you will activate this Google screen. And now over here, you can, for example, draw a circle around an object that you want to search for on Google. You can also just tap on the image, for example, in order to do the same thing. So you don't really have to draw a circle or any shape. In fact, you can just simply tap. In this case, let me just tap on the screen in order to get some Google search results. And as you can see, we have some example results. We can also search for visual matches, and we can try to get information about this image. Let me actually go to the Google app in order to try to find something more specific. So for example, if I want to find out what is this, I can just use circle to search. I can draw the shape around the selected subject, and then I should be able to get results. If the circle to search doesn't work for you, you can check if it's enabled, because we can actually turn off this shortcut. More precisely, we need to open settings and go to gestures, open system navigation, and then over here we have circle to search. Besides searching for or based on images, etc., we can also search normally. Over here we have this search bar. We can use our microphone in order to search with our voice. Besides that, we have music recognition. We can use this button over here right next to the search bar in order to search for a song. So if there is a song that is being played in the background, or you can also sing this song or just hum it in order to try to get results. And we can also translate our screen. So this last option is screen translation. If you tap on this button, then we can detect the language and then also choose the target language. So let's say I'm gonna choose, like, I don't know, Finnish, for example, right? And there we go, this screen is immediately translated. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.